Hello everybody. Today I am going to present some Viva MCQ on compound microscope, which is very important in case of the practical as well as theoretical purpose. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified by pressing the bell icon. Let's go to the tutorial. So different types of aspects related to the compound microscope are covered here. Basically on the working principle and how you will detect the magnification of a particular microscope and what type of light source is convenient and like that. Go through these questions and prepare yourself for the Viva as well as for the discussions. Total 10 questions are given. Previously also I have uploaded some videos on compound microscope. Hope you have collected those also and got the notification and saw that and prepared yourself. So this is probably the fourth video on compound microscope, more to come because lots and lots questions to be prepared on the activities of the compound microscope. Thank you for your time. Please go through the questions, prepare yourself for the Viva and for the instrumentation part in hematology. So long, bye bye.